Okay, so may I ask if you face any problem about the water scarcity, for example, in some particular season of the year?
ស្ថានភាពនៅតំបន់ហ្នឹងបើគិតទៅខែប្រាំងវាយ៉ាប់ទឹកហ្មងយ៉ាប់ពន្លងក៏ឆ្ងាយហើយយើងក៏ទទួលទានក៏មិនពិបាកទទួលទានទៀតបាទដល់ឡូវយើងមានប្រព័ន្ធទឹកស្អាតយ៉ាងហ្នឹងហើយយើងជាជនយើងងាយស្រួលបំផុត
May I ask also how this system bring water to your house and how far you have to go before to get some clean water from this place?
ពេលមុនមានតែយើងរែកពីចម្ងាយមកตรง5-600 ម៉ែត្រហើយឆ្លងទៅត្រីមួយខាងទៀតដងទឹកហ្នឹងជាតិទឹកប្រៃតែជីទូកទៅដងដាក់ដងហ្នឹងហើយចូលទៅហើយយកដងពីត្រីមួយខាងមកមិនមានប្រភពទឹកសាបជាងចម្លងទូកមកលើកមកដាក់នៅផ្ទះបាន
I don't want to be too much inspective, but I would like to see also maybe around the house how this system bring the water. Sorry, this is a solemn moment, I know, and they advised me to check this technology before. I saw the huge water wheel with the chief of the Chi Pat community, so I'm here. Oh, so those pipes are straight connected to the other place we went before, a few kilometers from here. May I ask to her also if this system improve in her life, especially the children? So the most important question I think for her, how this clean water straight to your house improve your life for your family, especially your children, I guess. ប្រើប្រាស់បានគ្រប់គ្រាន់សុខភាពខ្ញុំបានជ្រះថ្លាជាងមុនគុណចៅប្តីស្រីខ្ញុំបានខ្សើជាងមុន Okay, I want to share something with her. Just this morning, I look around always the Chi Pat community. I went to the school. I saw many children so happy and so healthy. I can see bright faces. So, you know, this story is really touching my heart because I feel the sensation of the children. I'm very happy. And there's another successful story, you know, about the South Cardamom Red Plus project with Wildlife Alliance bring it to this community.
ចាខ្ញុំសូមអរគុណអង្គការ Red បូម្ដងទៀតដោយសារបានជួយដល់អ្នកភូមិខ្ញុំគ្រប់គ្នាបានរោងស្អាតទឹកស្អាតប្រើប្រាស់អត់ខ្វះខាតគ្រប់គ្រាន់